Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another Design and Flow video. My name is Sam, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your website's analytics. Some of the reasons you might want to check this is to see how well your performance is. Are you getting searched on Google? Where is it coming from? What devices are they using? It's really helpful to know how to check your analytics. All right, let's do it. So now that we're in our WordPress backend, the first thing we want to do is head on over to the section that says Analytics. This is the independent analytics dashboard, which shows you all of the statistics for your website regarding traffic, views, sessions, how long people are on, the bounce rate, and the views per session. You can change the duration here. So instead of doing just the last 30 days, if you want to show all time, you can click all time and apply last 6 months, last 90 days, last week compared to this week. You click apply. And this will update all of the stats on the page. It has a nice little graph to show you your visitors, your views, and you can change these to either sessions, bounce rate, views per session. Right below that, it'll show you independent page by page, your visitors, your views, the duration, the bounce rate, and how much traffic they're getting. You can also check your fastest growing pages just by clicking fastest growing pages. It looks similar to the page before it, but if you come down here, it'll show you in ranked what pages are performing best and by what growth. You can see that this page has gotten 50% growth, 44% growth on the landing page. So it shows you how well your pages are performing. Next, we have refers, search engine traffic. Just shows you how much traffic out of your traffic that you're getting is getting found by a search engine like Google, Bing. You can see the refers right here. So most of the traffic on this website is coming from Google. Some of it's from Bing, some from DuckDuckGo, and one on Yahoo. For social media, this page does not have a lot of refers for social media, but if they are getting referred from either Facebook or Instagram, the refer will be down here. You can also check the geographic cities that people are visiting your website from. It'll give you a nice little heat map of where most of the visitors are coming from. And then down here, it'll tell you the exact city that people are visiting from. Visitors, views. Some people may be out of the country that are viewing it. But this sort of gives you a pulse on who it is that is looking at your website. We also have the devices tab, which shows you which browsers or what operating system people are viewing from. If we scroll down, we can see most of the visitors for this website are visiting on desktop, mobile, and then less than 1% are visiting from a tablet. And that's how you check your website's analytics with independent analytics on WordPress. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next videos.